Hey guys, it's Pauline. I picked something up last week on their when they had a big sale. This is a Coach bag, and this wasn't my first choice. It wasn't my second choice. I wanted, it was a goofy Rogue. I had it in my basket. I was checking out, and while I was checking out, it sold out. So my second choice was a Lana. It was 2 Lanas that was on sale, like the big one. I only have the small one, and I went to go get them. They were sold out. So then this was my third choice. It wasn't like I had to get something, but I did want this eventually. I mean, I have this, but it is an inspired bag. At the time, I wasn't sure whether or not it was an authentic bag. I bought it from eBay. I had my suspicions that it probably wasn't an authentic bag, but there was a lot of chatter at the time about getting bags straight from Japan and that they were authentic and all that. But anyway, this is a bigger size than the fake one. Well, an inspired bag. And I wanted, this was a really, really, really good price. So I wanted to give it a try. So we will take a look at it. So this is a chain Tabby 30 in the honey brown. So it is factory wrap. I'm liking that. So let's take a look at it. And I have the one that I bought from eBay, maybe like a year ago, maybe even 2 years ago. I have worn it several times. I like it, but when I can get the actual bag and it's bigger, I went ahead and did that. All right, so let's take a look. Give me a second. Okay, guys, so this bag was just over $200, which is unheard of for a Tabby, and especially a 30. So with the chain. So let's take a look at the chain. It makes me want to sing that Aretha Franklin song. So let's see how cute she is. I'm gonna tell you, she looks just like the one I got from eBay, to be honest. All right, and then let's see. But I have the other one, and we can take a look at that right quick. All right, take this off the sleeve. I'll be right back. Okay, so we have these straps here. So I thought this was maybe a shoulder strap, but it is not. It is this, so you can make this either a crossbody, I guess, or a shoulder strap, depending on where you put it. But I like that it's nice and thick. Maybe it's not going to hurt my arm. And then you have, okay, this is the one. All right, so this one, if you just want to make it a shoulder carry, which is probably what I'll use. All right, and then let's see. I'll take this off. Whoops. Now I can feel the difference in the one that I have. And we got this bag. That is really nice cavity back there. Large amount of room. And then we got a nice big section up here. Now most of the tabbies that I have is usually just a weekend carry, but I think I can carry this for a week. Super, super nice. Yeah, that is nice and big. And then we got this snapped section here. Really, really nice. And then we got the little back pocket here. All right, so, and then we got when it was made. Okay, now I'm going to pull up the one I bought from eBay. And we can do a little comparison. All right, though the colors right away are a little off. I don't know, it is pretty, I mean, it's a little off. I mean, you really have to look at it. All right, and I'm going to keep this one on here so I won't get them confused. All right, so yeah, now the Coach, the genuine Coach chain is heavier. But y'all, they did a really good job of imitating this. This looks really, I'm trying to see, I don't know. I think that is kind of heavy. But anyway, so the chains look a lot alike. All right, and then we can look at the C's. Let's compare the C. There's a little difference in that. All right, and then we can compare the inside. Now that's different, like totally different. I don't know what this material is. Microfiber, I guess. but this I think is suede, so that's completely different. But you do get the same straps. I mean, that's so close. I mean, look at that. It's really close. All right, you get that strap, you get this strap. I mean, it's a lot alike. So, see like the back of this? And the back of this. Really neat though. All right, well that is really all I wanted to share. I don't want to get these mixed up. So let me put these back in there. All right. Oh, I'm already getting these mixed up. I'm like, wait a minute. Okay, this is the authentic one, and this is that one, because you can see that this color is closer to this one. All right, and so I would actually love to sell this, but I know some people don't have a fit. I'm talking about maybe like sell it for like 50 bucks. It's worth that. But it have to be someone that knows is not what it is and won't try to resell it. But anyway, I hate to just put it in the trash, you know? But anyway, guys, that is what I had to share today. Y'all can tell me what you think, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.